of air at 50 psia and occupying 10 cubic feet undergo a process at constant volume until the temperature has risen 500 Rankine degree. Calculate the initial and final pressures and temperatures, the heat added and the heat gain of internal energy and enthalpy. Ito yung given. Meron tayong mass, 2 pound. Ang gas natin is air and ang gas constant is 53.34 foot-pound force per pound mass degrees Rankine. Pressure 1 is 50 psia, volume 1, 10 cubic feet, and sinabi rin constant volume. Okay, sinabi sa problem, temperature has risen. So, meaning that is the change in temperature, 500 Rankine degree. So, ito yung mga required natin. Ano yung mga temperatures? Okay, yung pressures. So, pressure 1 is nasa given, so hindi na natin kailangan pakunin. Heat, change in internal energy, change in enthalpy. Okay, so let's start muna dun sa ating temperature 1. So for temperature 1, according to the given, lahat ng given ay, halos lahat ay may involve ang point 1. Kita naman natin. So ang formula na gagamitin natin is PV-MRT. Okay, point 1 tayo. So substitute natin, we have 50 pounds per inch square. Conversion, meron tayo 144 inch square per feet square. Okay, kung ayaw nyo na maglagay ng unit, tandaan na rin yan. So magka-cancel yung mga units, kita, that is inch square, cancel. Cancel ang feet square, so may iwan dito, feet lang. Then on the right side, we have pound mass, cancel. Then, yung ating left side and right side, parehas may feet. So, cancel. Parehas din may pound force, cancel. So, may iwan ang unit ng temperature natin. This one, nasa baba yan. So, pag lumipas sa kabila, that would be degrees Rankine. So, we have temperature 1, 674.92 degrees Rankine. Tuloy lang tayo for temperature 2. Ito, mabilis lang to kasi binigay sa problem yung change in temperature. So, ilagay na natin dito. Yan yung formula. Change in temperature, sinabi risen sa problem, risen. Kaya pag risen, mas malaki ang 0.2. Kaya T2 minus T1 tayo. So, we will arrive to our answer, 1,174.92 degrees Rankine. Next, we have the pressure 2. For pressure 2, okay, nakuha naman natin yung dalawang temperatures. Then, ang pressure 2, sa given may pressure 1. Take note, that is constant volume. So, gamitin natin ang Gay-Lussac's law. Ito yung formula. So, we will arrive to our answer, 87.04 psia. Okay, so tuloy lang natin. Ito yung given pa rin natin. Then, madadagdagan lang tayo ng given. When it comes to air, kailangan alam natin itong mga specific heat na to. We have 0.24 pag specific heat at constant pressure. Meron tayong 0.1714 kapag specific heat at constant volume. So, ang required naman natin ngayon is the heat. Ang formula ng heat at constant volume is mCV delta T. Substitute. Okay, we have the answer, 171.4 BTU. Then for the change in internal energy, okay, hindi naman bago yung formula na yan, fix yan. Ang formula is mCV delta T rin. Kaya lang, familiar na to. Ang mCV delta T, eto din yan. Okay? So, pwede na sabihin, delta U is equal to heat. Take note that is for constant volume process. So, delta U natin is same, 171.4 BTU. Okay, so for change in enthalpy naman, fix ang formula niyan, MCP, delta T naman. Substitute natin, lalabas ang delta H, 240 BTU. Next, in the PV diagram shown, heat addition occurs between points 1 and 2. Given that CV is 0.336 BTU per pound mass, Rankine, what is the entropy produced during this step? Okay, ito yung diagram natin. Makita natin sa diagram kung ano yung mga data na wala dun sa problem. Then we have the given CV 0.336 BTU per pound Rankine. Ang hinahanap, ano yung nangyari sa entropy? So change in entropy tayo. So for the solution or the formula, kita natin sa diagram, vertical line yan. So if that is vertical line, that is constant volume. So didefine natin ang entropy change in constant volume. Okay? Walang mass na involved. So specific tayo. Okay? So we have the change in entropy CV. Kasi nga constant volume, ln T2 over T1. Ay, yung given na natin, 0.336 ln, ang T2 and T1 nasa diagram. So, simply substitute. We have the change in entropy now, 0.3152 BTU per pound Rankine. Yan na yung ating answer. There are 1.36 kg of gas for which R is 0.377 and K is 1.25. Undergo a non-flow constant volume process from 551.6 kilopascal and 60 degrees Celsius to 1,655 kilopascal. During the process, there are added 105.5 kilojoule of heat, determining the change in entropy. So, simulan natin sa given. Meron tayong mass, 1.36 kg. R, 0.377. Unit niyan, kilojoule per kilogram degrees Kelvin. Matik kayo niyan na ang unit ay SI kasi ang majority ng unit sa problem ay naka-SI. K natin is 1.25. Sinabi sa problem constant volume at hindi lang yun. Binanggit din ay non-flow. Pressure 1, 551.6 kilopascal. Temperature 1, 60 degrees Celsius. Pressure 2, 1,655 kilopascal. And heat, 105.5 kilojoule. Ang required is the change in entropy. So, ang formula gagamitin natin, sinabi, constant volume process. So, isometric, ito yan. May mass na binigay. So, constant volume tayo, kaya CV, ln T2T1. Okay, hindi natin alam yung gas, kaya hindi natin masasabi agad yung CV. So, to solve for CV, ito ang formula. And meron na namang R na binigay. And at the same time, wala ring dalawang temperature. Nasa constant volume process tayo. Ang mangyayari ngayon sa temperature ratio natin, sa constant volume, papalitan natin sa ang pressure. Kasi constant nga volume, so partner niyan, pressure. So, ito yung equation na yan. So, substitute na natin. Direct na, no? Ito yung CV na part. Ito yung ratio ng pressure na ipinalit dun sa ratio ng temperature. Lalabas, change in entropy 2.2534 kilojoule per Kelvin.